Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this tiny but super powerful 4K 5G touchscreen dash cam from a company called Affver. This is one of the best dash cams on the market. It is so tiny and small, doesn't take up a lot of space, doesn't block your view on your windshield because it's so tiny and small, but super powerful. It has 4K resolution, high resolution video, and will film great whether you're driving at day or night. And throughout this video, I'm going to throw some footage in there so you can see exactly how well this dash cam films and the video quality. Besides that, it has 5G connection. That means when it connects to your phone, instead of using Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which will do the job but kind of slow, it uses 5G Wi-Fi. So it's going to connect to your phone with a much faster connection to be able to download videos really quickly if you want to transfer videos from here to your phone. It has a super set of features. One of the highlights is this nice little screen on the back. This is a touch screen, and so you can fully set up and control this dash cam just using the touch screen. You can scroll through, change the resolution, decide how long you want the loop videos to go for, set the screen timeout, all those things you can control, format the SD card. You can do all that in this screen without ever connecting to an app, which is great. But you can also connect to the app. So if you want to use the app, then you download the Petsio app, and then you can connect to the Wi-Fi on this, and then once you're connected, you can go into the app and change the settings on the app as well. So you've got the option with this to change the settings right here on the device just using this cool little touchscreen display, or you can go inside the app and you can connect that way. Now besides that, when this is connected to your car, that display is changeable. It has 3 different options for how you want it to display. And again, you can decide if you want it to only display for 30 seconds or a minute or something and then cut off if you don't want it on all the time. Or you can have it just always be on because it does display the time as well as indicators to let you know where it is in the loop recording and that kind of stuff, which is great. Now, this thing has a lot of other great features. It does have that micro SD card slot. It comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, so you don't have to buy a separate card. It comes with one, but if you want, you can buy your own and put in there, and videos will record to this. And like I said, with that 5G Wi-Fi, you can connect to this through the app and then download those videos to your phone really super fast because of that 5G connection. It has a power button here on the side that can be used to lock a video. So if something happens and you're like, well, I need to keep that video, you can lock that video. It also has a G sensor in it, and you can change the sensitivity, and what that does is if it detects what it thinks is an accident for something, then based on whether you've set it to low, medium, or high, then it'll lock that video automatically so that it won't record over it as it continues the loop recording. So really every feature that you could possibly imagine is built into this, and it's so small. I just love how small and compact it is. It doesn't take up hardly any space on your windshield. It does have the detachable removable mount that you can pull it on or off of without removing the mount from your window. It comes with static cling windshield stickers so that when you stick the mount on there, it's not sticking directly to your windshield, it's sticking to that static cling sticker, which makes it easy to remove or if you need to later, which is great. Also, the camera on here is movable because when you put this on, maybe that camera is that you need to adjust the camera a little bit to get it at the right angle for the best video, depending on the angle of your windshield. And so this camera is movable up or down to make sure you get it to the right angle to get the best video so that you'll have it in case you need it. It does also have a mic built into this so that can record sound if you want it to. You can turn that on or off, and it also has a little speaker so it'll announce like when you start the car that it is recording. And again, you fully control that volume, turn it off if you don't want it. So basically everything you could possibly want in a dash cam is in this camera. 4K resolution, 5G connection to your phone for quick download. You've got a touchscreen interface that allows you to change all the settings without even using the app if you want to. But then when you connect to the app, you're connected to a 5G super fast connection to view the videos that are saved on here or to download them to your phone if you want to. So every feature you could possibly really imagine in a small, compact 4K dash cam is built into this one by Affver, and that is why this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.